What if I told you that one diplomatic meeting between India and Japan could create thousands of opportunities for Indian students? Just a few days ago, Japanese Prime Minister Ms. Sanae Takaichi, she visited India for the 16th India-Japan Annual Summit. And the two countries didn't just talk about diplomacy. They announced many new collaborations in artificial intelligence, energy, economic security, defense, advanced manufacturing and innovation. And here is what most news channels are not telling you. Whenever India and Japan strengthen their partnerships, students are amongst the biggest beneficiaries. If you are planning to study abroad, this could be one of the best times in history to choose Japan as your study destination. So why was this visit important? This wasn't just another diplomatic visit. The leaders discussed artificial intelligence, investments in semiconductor manufacturing, clean energy, critical minerals, defense technology, and supply chains resilience. They also spoke about next generation mobility. So Japan also reaffirmed its long-term investment plans in India. While both the countries expanded cooperation in AI, economic security, and advanced technologies. This means only one thing: more Japanese companies will need global talent. And who better than Indian graduates who understand both the countries? Japan is in fact facing one of the world's biggest demographic challenges right now. Its population is shrinking, its workforce is getting older. Companies need engineers, researchers, they need graduates who have studied business. They also need healthcare professionals, IT experts, and increasingly they need more international talent. This is one of the reasons why Japan has been internationalizing its universities and making it easier for talented international students to study in Japan. Indian students bring exactly what Japan is looking for: strong STEM backgrounds, excellent English communication, adaptability, and growing interest in learning Japanese. As India becomes one of the Japan's most important strategic partners, Indian graduates who understand Japanese culture, language become even more valuable. Please understand, Japan has a very unique language and culture, and that is why the graduates from Japan are in an excellent position to take advantage of these job opportunities. Many Japanese universities are now offering English taught degrees. They are also offering AI and data science programs, business analytics, robotics, environmental sciences programs, international relations, and there are some excellent scholarships for international students. Universities are also working more closely with industries, which gives students an opportunity to work in part-time jobs and internships. Now, I understand students' concern when they ask, can they build a career in Japan? The answer today is much stronger than ever before, 5 years ago or 10 years ago. With India and Japan increasing their cooperation in AI, manufacturing, mobility, energy, students who graduate from Japan, and they will be in a unique position whether you work in Japan or return to India or build a career connecting two countries. Your opportunities are growing here on. Now, the relationship between India and Japan is no longer just about trade. It is also becoming a partnership in education, research, technology, and talent development. As these partnerships continue to grow, universities will collaborate more and companies will recruit more globally. And students who prepare today will have the greatest advantage tomorrow. Don't wait until everyone starts talking about these opportunities in Japan. The opportunities are already here. So at Education Japan, we have helped hundreds of Indian students to get placed in the right university of their choice, right courses, and secure greatest scholarships in Japanese universities. We have helped them build successful careers over time in Japan. So if you are looking for a personalized guidance, book a counseling session with us right away. And if you are interested in meeting Japanese universities directly, we give you that opportunity to meet them at Sakura Quest. That is going to be the India's largest study in Japan fair. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on scholarships, admissions and careers and everything you need to know about Japan. You can comment below to register yourself for the Sakura Quest event or just say hello or your query. We would be very happy to answer those. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe as I say, and please like the video and keep watching this channel for more updates on universities and scholarships.